A jail employee has been saying he didn't help 10 inmates escape the Orleans Justice Center. Well, today he made that official and pled not guilty in court. Alyssa Curtis has more on his plea.
Job duties or a criminal operation? That's what a jury will eventually have to decide because Sterling Williams pled not guilty. Williams was a maintenance worker at the Orleans Parish Justice Center. That is, until he was accused of helping 10 inmates pull off a historic escape. He's facing 10 counts of principal to simple escape and 1 count of malfeasance in office.
This is ridiculous. He is an innocent man.
Investigators say Williams turned off the water in the cell so the 10 escapees could cut a hole in the wall behind the toilet and run out. His lawyer, Michael Kennedy, says a deputy told Williams to turn the water off. So as a maintenance worker, that's what he did.
This is a man who's never been in trouble in his life. And suddenly he goes to work, a job he's worked at for years without any problem. And he's used as a scapegoat and thrown in jail.
Loyola law professor Dane Ciolino says that's going to be a tough argument to make.
I guess his best hope is to suggest that he perhaps was coerced or otherwise placed under duress in order to commit this crime. But that's very, very hard to prove.
Also in court Thursday, 4 people accused of helping escapee Lenton Van Buren. Tyshana Randolph, Patricia Van Buren, Lenton Van Buren Sr., and Angel McKay appeared via Zoom and all pled not guilty to charges of accessory after the fact. Ciolino says oftentimes that charge is easier to prove since everyone likely knew a crime had occurred.
A family member is not going to be able to plausibly say, well, I didn't know he had just committed a crime. Well, everybody knows.
Ciolino says the possible repercussions will depend on how much help prosecutors accuse them of giving. With more court hearings coming up, the answer of who is truly responsible remains to be seen. Alyssa Curtis, WWL, Louisiana.
All 5 of these alleged helpers are expected to be back in court August 19th. Attorney General Liz Murrell's office is prosecuting the case, and she says everyone who helped the inmates will be prosecuted to the fullest extent of the law. That includes anyone helping Derek Groves. And speaking of Groves, he has been in large for more than 2 months now. There's a $50,000 reward for any information leading to an arrest. If you have a tip to pass on, call Crime Stoppers.